Apple has announced their new iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus at the Wonderlust event in Cupertino with Dynamic Island, USB Type-C, and a lot of new features. Here's our first look at these newly launched devices. So let's get started. The smartphones now have slightly rounded edges with a matte finished back glass and a glossy finished camera module. Another physical change is the new USB Type-C charging port, which replaced the previously used Lightning port. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus have ditched the notch and now come with Dynamic Island, which was introduced with last year's iPhone 14 Pro series. Both phones use the same sized display as last year's iPhone 14 and 14 Plus, 6.1-inch for the iPhone 15 and 6.7-inch for the iPhone 15 Plus. These are Super Retina XDR displays with an upgraded peak brightness of up to 2000 nits when using the phone outdoors. For selfies, they sport a new 12-megapixel camera. The camera gets an upgrade with the new 48-megapixel primary camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The phone now gets a 2x optical zoom option in the camera app. The phones come in 5 new color options: black, blue, green, yellow, and pink with 3 storage variants: 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB. Both iPhone 15 and 15 Plus sport A16 Bionic SoC from the iPhone 14 Pro lineup. Apple claims the new iPhones have a longer battery life. The iPhone 15 claims to offer a video playback time of up to 20 hours, and the iPhone 15 Plus claims to play videos for up to 26 hours. The iPhone 15 will be available starting at Rs 79,900 for the base 128GB model, and the iPhone 15 Plus will retail for Rs 89,900 for the base 128GB model. Both of these phones will be available to buy starting 22nd September. Stay tuned for our detailed reviews of the iPhone 15 series, and for all things tech, keep following Gadgets 360.